Oh no 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 no, yeah yeah. Oh love me, show me love.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today is all about making akara. So make sure you watch this video to the end and please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video or interesting video like this. Also like and leave a comment down below in the comments section. I will be using the brown beans to make this akara. These beans is what they call olotu. They have oloyin beans, the white beans. Beans is beans. You can use any beans of your choice to make this akara. So I have picked these beans as you can see in this video. I picked it making sure that there is no stone or any form of sand. So I'm going to soak these beans with water for 10 minutes so that it will be easier for me to wash and peel off the back, or rather the skin. As you can see, my beans is softer now, and which is going to make it easier for me to peel them off and wash the back. So I'll be going off camera to wash these beans very well and I'll come back, so stay tuned. So this is what my beans looks like after washing. So I added my pepper, my red pepper, my onion. I sliced onion into pieces so that the blender will be able to crush it. So I'll be blending this. I'll be using my blender to blend the beans, and make sure you add a little portion so that the blender will be able to crush it, and add water.
It's
professional.
I know you love me tight.
This is my blended akara. I'm going to add a little salt to it, salt to taste, and mix for 5 minutes to get the perfect batter I want. Pour in your groundnut oil and start molding your akara into the hot oil. You can use anything you feel comfortable using to mold in your akara, but I'm using my spoon. You can use a measuring cup or anything you feel comfortable with. Fry the akara for 5 minutes, and when frying, make sure you flip your akara side by side to avoid burning. you see, it's so easy making akara. It's just the washing of the beans, and trust me, you can try it out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Comment down below in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. I love you all.